Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. I've got an announcement. Since you guys, that in UK49 we've got 9 presenters. So each presenter has got their own strategy. We don't use same strategy for every presenter. They differ. It's different. Understand, guys? So on the book, what I did, I made sure that each and every presenter has a strategy. If you can check on the book, you will see there's Daniel's strategy, there's Tony's strategy, there's Gina's strategy, so that we actually know what we are dealing with. Because UK49 is very difficult in terms of it's got presenters. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let me just show you a recap. One strategy that Christy does, but it's on the book as well. The importance of the book comes in now. I'll say this every day until you guys understand. Christy did this, you understand? It was just like 44 plus 14 times my formula 87. That's for Christy. You don't do it in any other draw, you'll fail. Then she got 1 plus bonus. So you see the advantage of the book now. Because now if you see Christy what she does, you have to know what Sophie does, you have to know what Daniel does, things like that. After that she got straight 38, 42, which came as a 1 number plus bonus. Do you see that? That's how you attack Christy. And it worked perfectly in 100% because it was just 38, 42. There's no remainder, there's no calculations. It's all about taking that and playing them. Okay, so now we are going to be doing Gina. You see now things are changing. We are on Gina's side. Gina just uses this one. We're going to say 20 plus 45 plus 46. I'm not going to give you everything today. Times 3. Let's go to the calculator and check what we get from there. Then we come back. Okay, so on our calculator, what do we have? Let's see, we've got 20, 45, then we've got 46, we've got the bonus 44. Then let's go to the calculator and see what we're going to get from there. Okay, so we're going to say 20 plus 45 plus 46 times 3. We get 203. 203. That's our first number that we got. Then after that, we're going to say plus 87, the formula that I use. It gives us a 29. After that, you add bonus 44. You're going to get 334. So do you see how it goes? But this is Gina specifically. If you use this strategy on any other presenter, it doesn't work. So you see what I'm trying to explain to you, that you guys must get the book and know each and every presenter's strategy, what they use. Understand? So now let's go back to this. We've done that. We'll take 334 290 203. It is actually accurate now, as you can see. So now this is Gina. What I'm going to do on this, I'll add these two numbers, then I get a 37. I subtract, I get a 31. And then I see there is a 33. It's dropped on lunch. So meaning that this 33, remember, if a 33 dropped, like for instance here, you will say plus 1 or minus 1. When I get a 32, you're gonna get a 34. These numbers, do you see that? That's what we got from there. And then because it has dropped, we will go again to this other chord. When did I write it there? Oh, I wrote it somewhere. 290. This a number like 290. This is what you do when you approach a chord like this. It's a 29 and it's a 26. It's a 20. Do you see that? That's how you approach a chord like that. And then so after that, you go to chord 203. This is how you break it. 203. Already it shows you that this is a 23, this is a 32. And then after that, you spin, you get a 30 there. you spin, you carry 20. So now you will be sure that 32 must drop. But then a number like 32, if it has to drop, there's some other number that must drop with. I'm just going to show you, like, we have a 46. It's going to be a repeat. It will repeat there. And then now we also have a 40. But now a 4 came. So we also have a 40 on the repeat. After that, we shall see a 14 must come, because a 14 came as a bonus here, and also it came as a 41. So it will come in a form of a split 4-1. And then, or if she runs away from that 4, she will bring a 40. That's to supplement the 4. And then we also have a 15. This can come in the bonus ball. And an 11. We also have a 45. I know a 45 came. One of these numbers must repeat, 45 or 46. They have to repeat by fire, by force. Those ones have to repeat. So this code 3350, it shows that this is a 35 and this is a 33. If you add all of them, they give you a 38 that has already dropped. So we won't focus on 38. Instead, we go down to 37. Okay, and then what else? I think, and I guess I'm fine now. I think, and I guess I'm fine. Just wanted to show you something, guys. But I think, and I guess everything is now done. We did split that. We did check there. Oh, there is this other number I forgot. 18. 18 needs to drop as well. 18 needs to drop. 45, 46, they did drop. I'm so worried about it. Okay, but it's going to repeat. She's going to repeat 45 or 46. And then a 2 will come in form. A 20 won't drop. Will drop as a 2. Do you see that? I'm just explaining today how these things go. Because if I see that that one is dropped. So if 46 comes, 18 will come on the bonus. If 45 comes, then 11 will come in the bonus. And with this 11, if you check this 11, okay, let's just set this. There's an 11, there's a 14, there's a 32, there's a 46. The 18 must also drop, there's a 45. So yeah, guys, the rest, as I told you, come grab the book and be the genius. I know what I'm doing with this game, UK49. You will never understand, but at the end of the day, when you have the book, you'll understand. My team members, they know exactly what we're doing. So yeah, I guess, guys, we're done. I posted Make a Million, I posted 550 for you. So you guys are blessed today. Thank you very much. Enjoy. So if you need to get the book, you just have to follow the link in the first comment, or go to my I'll leave the phone number. You can just text me. Thank you very much.